So, good morning students. Our chapter has been finished. One topic is remaining there, and that is related to the nitrogen enrichment into the soil. How we are doing the nitrogen enrichment into the soil. And the chapter which was in progress, that is lesson 1. Today we are going to solve out the exercise part of this lesson. Exercise for practice purpose. For practice purpose. Right? So today we are going to solve out the questions given in your book, and today we are going to start our questions from the first, and that is multiple choice question. MCQ. Multiple choice question means I will give you the 4 options and you have to select the correct one option, right? So our first question is, three pores on the lower surface of leaf are A. Lamina, B. Stomata, third C. Chlorophyll, fourth leaf stalk. So, which one is the correct answer in this? Lamina, no. Stomata, yes. Tiny pores which are found on the lower surface, नीचे वाली surface पे जो पाए जाते हैं मिट्टी पे, they are stomata. Chlorophyll, no. Leaf stalk, no. Question number 2. Green plant take in carbon dioxide from, जो green plants हैं, they are taking the CO2 from where? And the option is air, water, soil, manures. So these are the 4 options given to you. So which one will be the correct? Let us check from this side. Manures, no. Soil, no. Water, no. Green plants are taking their CO2, carbon dioxide, for making the food, for doing the photosynthesis process. They are taking from the air. Question number 3. Which of the following is not required for photosynthesis? So, which thing is not required for photosynthesis? Options are given there, and that is water, second one CO2, third one sunlight, fourth one oxygen. Now tell me, for doing the photosynthesis process, 3 things are necessary which are required. Water required, CO2 required, activity also we have done, sunlight required. Activity also we have done. Oxygen is released, it is not required. So oxygen is the correct answer. It is the correct answer. Question number 4. Guard cells are presenting. Option is given A. Stomata, B. Stem. C. Root. D. Branch. So, which one is the correct answer? All the branch guard cells are only present in stomata. I have told you this thing. So, branch no, root hair no, stem no, and stomata correct. Next question. Next one. Which of the following plant? Which of the following plant is an insectivorous plant? So, option given here: lichens, B. Venus flytrap, C. Mushrooms, D. Yeast. So these are the four options given to us, and we have to tell out of this which one is the insectivorous plant. Lichen, no, it is a symbiotic plant. Venus flytrap, I have told you the example, four example: bladderwort, Venus flytrap, and that pitcher plant. All these are what? Insectivorous plant. Mushroom, no. Yeast, no. So in this manner, we have completed our MCQs, multiple choice questions. Now we are moving for the next thing, that is fill in the blanks. Now try to solve the fill in the blanks. So our next thing, that is fill in the blanks, that we have to complete. And the first fill in the blanks which is given in your book, that is presence of starch is tested with the help of. During when I was telling you the activity, during that time I have told you the name of one chemical which helps in the detection of starch, right? And starch is present in potato also. You know this thing very well. So how we are detecting the starch? Which chemical is used for detecting the starch? That is iodine solution. Which solution is used? Iodine solution. Next, derive their food from others. When I was teaching you, during that time, I have told you the plants who derive their food from the others, they are called heterotrophic plants. And the plants which obtain their food by themselves only, or preparing their food by themselves only, they are called autotrophic plants. Right? So, which kind of plants derive their food from the other? Heterotrophic plant. All the heterotrophic plants. Trophic plants. Right? Next thing is there, in photosynthesis, sun energy is captured by the pigment cord. Means, when I was teaching you, during that time, I have told you, in photosynthesis process, the sunlight which is coming from the sun, that is absorbed by the plant, right? And which thing is present in the plant who absorb the sunlight? I have told you three things are there, and fourth thing, which is the very necessary part, that is chlorophyll. Chlorophyll. Chlorophyll pigment. Right? Plants get nitrogen in the form of, means how the plants are absorbing nitrogen from the soil. See, in the soil, nitrogen is not present in simple gaseous form. It is present in compound form. So, nitrogen compound. Nitrogen compound. Right? Next, plants which obtain their food from dead and decaying matter. वो plants जो dead and decaying matter से अपना food लेते हैं, those plants I have told you already. One was parasitic. One was, remember? One was parasitic. Second one was saprophytic. Third one was insectivorous. And fourth one was symbiotic. So out of these four, which one who take their food from the dead and decomposed matter? That is saprophytic. Saprophytic plant. So these are the two exercises which we have completed today for this lesson. Tomorrow we will go ahead in this lesson and do some more exercise part given in this lesson. So till then, try to do this in your notebook, and when you have done this in your notebook, then inform us. Right? So thank you class. Thank you very much.